Hey everyone, just thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what's in the new Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro's HOTEND due to a catastrophic malfunction that I just had. So I've been using the 0.6 HOTEND, and for whatever reason I've been having a few issues with software. I've been in contact with customer support who've been really good, replying up to 2 times a day to try and help me sort this out. Unfortunately, we got nowhere yet. It may just be a faulty unit. However, I think you can probably guess just by what's happened here. It didn't auto level like it's meant to, and it just went crazy here. It went back and forth a few times here, dug into the build plate, and then went here, centered, and moved around a little. Trying to stop it as quickly as possible. It didn't want to turn off, so I had to turn it off at the mains to get it to stop moving. Try and prevent damage, but yeah, unfortunately that's pretty bad there. So yeah, it ended up snapping the HOTEND off. This just fell off basically, but opportunity to see what's inside it. So we've got the cooling here, looks to be just copper. Works well, cools very quickly, but you can sort of see here there's sort of a white sort of glue epoxy, and that is epoxied into the top bit here, the hole there, which goes into the HOTEND, and then here is just the wire connections. So if you open it up and take this off, there is nothing really inside this case, just a housing, and you've got, looks to be sort of a ceramic wrapped HOTEND with I believe what's that orange tape called? That weird tape that some people put down on the tables. So yeah, this stuff just peels off. Got a hardened nozzle, and yeah, it's not too much to it. I believe it's yeah, just a ceramic nozzle in there that is wrapped in the tape, I guess, to help with the heat retention. And I'm gonna try and take all this off and then see how this nozzle inside's attached, if it's all one piece or if it's just a replaceable unit that they've decided to epoxy in. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the outside is off, and there's these two sort of ceramic washers at the top end and also at the bottom end. We can see that the wires come down, sorry, get in focus, wrapped around, and then this one I believe must just be temperature probe style, and feeds the data back that way. So I'm going to try and get this casing off and see what's underneath. Okay, so I've just undone it all. Under the tape, this wire, which I guess is for the heating, was wrapped tightly around, and this is how it looks. Just a solid metal core, and this seems to be it's got some like sticky sort of epoxy masticky sort of thing, some sort of glue that's holding that tip in there, and there's no way, at least I can find, of getting that tip off. I guess if you had 2 grips on it, you could possibly somehow twist it off, but it's not one that's got a thread or anything easy to get on or off. The rest is just solid. So yeah, also had a bit more of this ceramic-y sort of stuff around the wires as well. Yeah, it's quite interesting. I thought it'd be a bit more complex, but I guess if something gets hot, it's doesn't have to be as complex as you think. Looks nice, good quality, heavy metal. Whatever metal this is quite heavy for that. You'd think it'd be quite light, but yeah, nice good quality. unfortunate about the incident that happened, but there we go. We get to see what's inside it.